Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're gonna go around hitting thrift stores and we're gonna make some money. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of another spaceship. That's for another video, but anyways, we're gonna go to the Savers real quick, then we'll go to the old lady thrift store. It's gonna be quite the dandy ride. Make sure you're subscribed. Follow me on Instagram as well. Let's get in the thrift store and make some money. Spaceship hint. Spaceship hint. What kind of spaceship is it? I'll tell you one thing. It was a really cheap spaceship. It's like an ancillary craft. It's small. I gotta be at the old lady thrift store in like 10 minutes, so I gotta hurry up. Damn, check out this boombox. This is pretty crazy. 10 bucks. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna get it. It's definitely not working. I mean, the tape player's not working at all. And I think, you know, shipped on eBay, it's around 70 bucks and it's $10 to get it. And it's not working, so that's important. Yeah, it has that like Stranger Things appeal to it, but I'm looking for something that's working. I'm not looking for projects, that's for sure. Anything in the bag section? Doesn't look like it. Grab these Keen Newport Camo, $11 out the door. Should fetch around 55, 65 bucks. These are in really good condition. Not a bad first score of the day. Those are gonna go on eBay more than likely. Padded poly mailer, easy shipping. So, all right, to the old lady thrift store, here we go. Just like that, the new spaceship got me here. Let's go. Actually, it's a used spaceship. Time to wait in line. All right, so line, 12th in line. It's time to zone out. I'll see you in a bit. All right, so here's the line so far. Way back there. Got Mike in line right there. What up, Mike?
Hey, how's it going?
So yeah, just sitting here. I was actually listening to some Tears for Fears on concert on my iPhone, but thrift store looks right. We're gonna get in there in 1 second. All right, we're heading in.
Bit of injury here.
Take one, thank you.
How you?
Everyone's rushing in the thrift store. Go to the back section first. Why not? I don't see anything really crazy here. The key is to just grab stuff and put it in your bag and then evaluate it later, you know? Okay, so I put the boots down. They're $25 boots. I couldn't really even tell the maker. They were interesting looking, but you know, like yesterday I bought 2 pairs of boots. You guys didn't see it on video. I didn't film it or anything like that, but they were both exotics. One I paid like 30 and the other one I paid, I think, 15 for. They're both listed for $150 a piece. So that just gives you a context of, like, you know, when you know the brand and it's an exotic, for example, you can get big money. Now, when I was looking at these boots in the store, they were not that cool. I should have put them on film, but they just weren't that cool. They were a little cool, but they were 25 bucks. Anyways, fast forward. Let's go to the next thrift store and see if we can find anything there. I got 3 more Goodwills. I'm pretty sure I'll find something today. Let's go for the ride. Actually, this is a stick shift car, so you can't go for the ride, but we'll show you. I'll teleport to the next Goodwill. Let's go. So we're here at a Goodwill. I'm gonna get in there, and then after this, 2 more Goodwills. And try to make it happen. I'll contemplate how this cheddar day is gonna go. If you're liking this video, by the way, especially hot shots, which are basically really concentrated thrift runs, make sure you hit the like button. Put a comment down below, because today I'm either a profitable Aquaman or I'm the Asian warlord or something. I need some help. I need another name for myself, and you guys have to pick it out. So help me out. I'm gonna get this thrift store. It's a ballistic nylon Briggs & Riley bag here. This could be interesting. This is pretty cool. I might get this. Dude, mega scores from that Goodwill. All right, 6 bucks out the door. Basically, we have this Hofner 360 guitar, and it turns on, and it seems to work just fine. We got tested out, of course, but that already minimum on eBay is about 60 bucks. You can also put it on Amazon with a game or 2. They can sell by itself as well. Got a Smith snowboarding ski helmet. I'll be talking about this on my Patreon. I'll be talking about all this kind of stuff on my Patreon. That's coming up soon, probably the next 2 weeks. I'll be doing a lot more in-depth hustler videos on there, so yeah, you can find me there. But anyways, this Smith helmet right here, snowboard helmet, really intricate, $6, and this one should sell for around 100. These Fox mountain biking shorts were $6. They should sell for about 50. They have liners inside of them as well, and then a pair of Element shoes for myself, size 12. I'm gonna wear these when it starts getting colder again. I like them. They look weird. So that's what's up so far. And yeah, so you heard me say Patreon. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna start one because there's certainly a market for the people that follow me that want more in-depth stuff that a lot of times YouTube doesn't reward, whether it be based on the algorithm or anything. You know, longer videos on YouTube are just like not a huge deal anymore. There was a time and place for all that. And plus, when I do longer explanation type videos, a lot of times the comments and the dislikes will go up because everyone's like, they want things fast, you know, and they want to learn quickly on YouTube. Whereas there are other sites like Patreon, for example, that give creators more of a creative outlet, and it also rewards them for that creative outlet. And it's for diehard people that are fans or subscribers that want more, you know? So I'm gonna be making one. I think there's gonna be anywhere between 2 and 4 extra videos a month on there, something like that. I haven't really figured out the tiers, but that's coming. Not the tiers, but the tiers, as in, you know? We'll see what happens. I'm excited about it. A lot of good things coming around the corner, you'll see. And just like that, we're at the next Goodwill, which actually is in an old Savers building. Oh man, that's what you call a backstory. All right, so we're gonna go in here. I've been here already once. It opened like a week ago, but there are not that many good deals. There's super high price Goodwill actually, but you might be able to find some. Let's check it out. We're in the belly of the beast, looking for deals. See if we can find some. We got a trip for $100. Oh my gosh, that's so expensive. Here we go. I think this is jackpot, 10 bucks with tags. Nice. That's gonna be a good one. All right, so I copped 2 hoodies. One is a new Howler Brothers, should sell for 50 plus. Got it for 10 out the door, and then I got this one for 6 out the door. This is a Troy Lee Designs reversible hoodie. Troy Lee Designs makes motorcycle gear, mountain biking gear, and it's hella expensive. So yeah, the Troy Lee Designs probably 50 or so, but the Howler is probably gonna be 50 plus. All right, cheddar weather indeed. Let's go to another thrift store. All right, last Goodwill. See if we find anything in this place. All right, I've looked around everywhere, didn't find anything, so hey, time to get some tacos, why not? Oh wait, I gotta look at these cases first. No, nothing in that one. I love how this Goodwill separates all the expensive stuff. It actually makes it easier when you're looking for expensive stuff just to go here. And I don't see anything, so I am out of here.
I'm gonna do the enchilada
All right, so I'm here with my wife, and she's gonna start doing some raw diet stuff alongside myself, but not today. But I'll be trying to progressively put it in. Thanks, dude. Cool.
Oh, wow.
I'll be doing some raw diet stuff as well, starting in the next couple weeks. But this is what I'm ordering. This is what I have. I got a shrimp taco, got a beef taco, got another beef taco, and she's doing that salad. I don't know, there's some random chips on the table. That's what's going on. I thought it was a pretty good hustling day. So make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next Bonafide Hustle ride along. Take it easy. Goodbye.